Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. I hope you're all doing well. We are in Oldtown, Albufeira. Let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe. So we're just going to take the escalators up to the top part and show you guys the view. Really nice up here. Been an absolutely stunning day, probably the best day we've had since being away. Yeah, really roasting hot. So these escalators you need to get basically to go up to the top point. But yeah, show you guys the view. So you got the beach, really packed again. Really busy for this time. We were here around the same sort of time last year as well. And it wasn't this busy, I don't think. Or maybe it was and I just don't remember. Have a look, watch the footage, you tell me. So yeah, we were just around the corner in Affinity, had a few drinks there and had some food, so that was nice. Bit disappointed. There's a restaurant down there that's an all-you-can-eat meat restaurant, and me and Kurt sort of decided to meet again. So we was like, oh wow, we could try this restaurant. And then we obviously went there and it's now not there. Heartbreaking. Yeah, really nice day. Didn't actually go in the water, but I did take a little walk along the beach. It was very nice. And just like that, we've made it at the top. So you can walk it as well. It is quite hilly, so that is obviously better. And then you've got this nice viewpoint up here. And you've got like the lighthouse, a few restaurants up here, and you've got this stunning view of all of Oldtown, Albufeira. So yeah, really nice. Right, let's keep going. So I'd enjoy the day.
Come on, Ab.
Gonna try and walk to Newtown, so show you guys how quick that walk is. Those people on the pier as well. And again, it is a walk, but on a nice day like this, I think it's worth doing. It's a lovely little coastline. Got all these little crazy characters. So she's filming them. And they've obviously got that as a backdrop. Got a nice little restaurant there, Divini. Let me know if anyone's been there. We've actually not been there, so is it worth going? Let's have a little price check for you. Show you guys. There we go. So from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. you've got your happy hour. There you go, some prices. And then you got the lighthouse as well. Just eating dinner, so I'm at that perfect stage where you could easily, because it's been such a hot day and I've been in the sun all day, have a nap. It's one of those days where you just want to curl up, have a nap. But I'm only here for a few more days, so I'm going to still cobble some. Does anyone else get like that? Like the end of the holiday, you're kind of just like, oh, I just wanna chill. I like to get all my sort of active stuff out right at the beginning, and then towards the end do the more chilled stuff. But for whatever reason, me and Kirk actually always end up doing it the other way around, which is always quite funny. But yeah, let me know in the comments below, what are you? Or do you just like a whole holiday of relaxation, or do you like to always be active? So that's the lighthouse. Again, really busy. They've made a little pitch down there. And we're going to head all the way down there. It's nice tiling as well. So yeah, definitely enjoy sleep tonight. Get ready for the grand opening. So you can obviously do this walk along the beach as well. We have done that. So if you do want to check out the actual beach walk and what's on the beach and any of the like restaurants or little like kiosks and stuff they have, do check that out. We have done that on the channel, so just go to our playlist. We've got plenty of footage for Albufeira. This is obviously the most up-to-date videos, but we've been in loads of times. So if you do want to check it out during like July or sort of end of year, we've got that on there as well. I think that's more like apartments, that one, rather than holiday lets. This would be a lovely place to have some nice hotels. If that is your view. And then you've got a little couple of pit stops there. So you can have a little glass of wine. And again, you've got that as a lovely view. Happy hour till 4. Got one there as well. You've got like an upstairs and a downstairs. So again, this is quite a nice walk. You've got a few places you can stop, relax, and then carry on if you don't want to do it in like one stretch. So large beer, €3. Not bad. Seems to be the sort of average at the moment, €2.50, €3. Let me know if you think that's too much or perfect. It's obviously cheaper than home. Love all the colours as well, the blues and the whites. Oldtown is definitely very pretty. Don't want to start a massive war, but I think in terms of aesthetics, Oldtown definitely. Newtown, maybe more for the nightlife. And you've got some nice little benches here as well, which is always good. Have your lunch, sit and chill out.
It's like at home when it's at the seaside with fish and chips.
Yeah, exactly, fish and chips.
There's no fish and chips there.
No, well, there is, but it's a different kind of fish and chips. And be careful because these steps are very, very big. So if you're not concentrating and you're looking at the view, you may fall. Right, we'll just go to the side, show you guys the viewpoint. Again, there's another little sheltered area there as well, with some more benches. There we go, so we've got more of the beach. We'll just keep walking down. Got a nice restaurant coming up down there. Yeah, absolutely glorious day. Right, let's we'll continue down this way. Yeah, we're not going to go down the steps. We're going to go down the slope. Stick to the road. There we go. So yeah, we're just going to continue down. So it's just like one straight walk. Again, we've gone on this walk a few times, and we've also done it along the beach, so do check it out. Nice little grass area there as well. So let's see what this restaurant is, and then we'll wrap it up. Nice little outside seating, which is very pretty. Yeah. So this is the waterfront, yeah, so it's got the waterfront terrace, which we just saw, and it's called the Charitoria. I can't read. There we go. She can't read it. What kind of food does it do? Enjoy the best new sea view in Albufeira. It's a wild claim, is it true? Let's have a look at the food then. Not badly priced. Not badly priced at all. We might have to stop off and have a beer and check out the sea view. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. Really does help push the content, and we will see you guys on the next one.